So in this question, we once again are given the pie chart for Tara's spending. So there's 4 categories, and how much she spent in each category is given in the chart. And the question is, what percent of her total spending did she spend on food? And we have to round our answer to the nearest whole percent. Okay, so of course, when we work with percentages, we need to figure out basically a percentage, just a ratio of our particular amount that we're interested in, which is food, out of the total spending. So we know how much to spend on food, right? It's 422, but we still need to know her total spending. And to find the total, we're going to add up the 4 categories, the amount she spent in 4 categories. So we're going to find this sum right here. All right, I'm going to use my calculator here to add that up. And this particular total might not be the same as the previous total. But yes, so in this case, the total is $1,900. And so the amount that she spent on food is 422. So 422 divided by 1,900 gives us so about 0.222105. Okay. Now, of course, this is a decimal representation. To write it as a percent, we still need to multiply our number by 100%, which ultimately what that does is just moves the decimal point to the right 2 places because of the 2 zeros. So our percentage value is going to be 22.2105%. But because we need to round to the nearest whole percent, that means we have to really cut our answer right at the decimal point. But we do need to look at the value past the decimal point to see if we need to round up or not. So because this is 2, that means we don't need to round up. So our answer should be just 22%. If this value right here was 5 or more, then we would bump the ones to the next level, so it would be 23%. But in our case, it is 22%. She spent 22% on food. And the percentage values are already provided, so we don't need to put percent.